And developing off the top at 5, a judge in Georgia ruling that Georgia District Attorney Fani Willis is allowed to remain as prosecutor in former President Trump's election interference case, but there's a catch. Willis's future was in doubt after Trump's legal team accused her of benefiting financially from hiring a prosecutor for that case who she had a romantic relationship with.
But for Willis to stay, her former boyfriend, prosecutor Nathan Wade, had to resign from the case. Our D.C. Bureau Chief Ben Kennedy joins us live from the White House with the developing details. Ben.
Well, Nicole and Cowan, this was a legal win for DA Fani Willis, and as you mentioned, there was a catch. Someone did have to step down, and that took place moments ago with the lead prosecutor.
Filings of the parties up to this point.
Judge Scott McAfee ruled Friday that Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis can stay on former President Donald Trump's election interference case after facing ethics allegations, accused by Trump and co-defendants of benefiting financially from a romantic relationship with Nathan Wade, who was named special prosecutor. The judge wrote Trump's team failed to meet the burden of proving the district attorney acquired an actual conflict of interest in this case, presenting Willis with two options. She may choose to step aside along with the whole of her office, or Wade can withdraw. As the court criticized Willis for a tremendous lapse of judgment and questioned the truthfulness of her and Wade's testimony about the timing of their relationship, with the DA arguing it happened after he was brought onto the case.
In November of 2021, I hired him. I do not consider our relationship to have become romantic until early of 2022.
An attorney for Trump said the former commander-in-chief respects the court's decision, but believes the judge did not afford appropriate significance to the prosecutorial misconduct of Willis and Wade, adding we'll use all legal options available as we continue to fight the end of this case, which should never have been brought in the first place. The ruling comes after the judge dismissed charges having to do with soliciting elected officials to violate their oaths of office. But most of the 41-count racketeering indictment remains intact, with Trump still facing 10 criminal charges on alleged efforts to overturn the 2020 election results in Georgia. And a bit of breaking news out of New York. That is where Trump's hush money criminal trial was set to begin on March 25th has now been delayed by 30 days to give attorneys time to go over last-minute evidence. Reporting live at the White House, Ben Kennedy, Local 10 News.